How does a wireless pool vacuum work? Watch this video to find out. Summer is coming and it's time to get the pools cleaned up. This is the Aiper Seagull 600 robotic pool cleaner. Check out the link in the description to get your own. We're going to test it to see just how good this robotic cleaner is. First, we set up our test pool. We made sure to get nice and dirty. After letting the dirt settle to the bottom of the pool, we put the Seagull 600 in the water and let it clean. It went to work immediately cleaning the bottom of the pool. It is a lot of fun to watch. This is what the robot looks like underneath. We slowed down the video so you can see how the dual motors provide suction and propel it forward. The two independent scrapers scrub the bottom of your pool to pick up fine leaves, sand, dirt, and debris. How much can this robot clean in 5 minutes? Let's speed up the video and watch it do its magic. After 5 minutes, the pool is clean. The robot, however, is full of dirt, sand, and debris. Look at all that junk from the bottom of the pool. No wires, hoses, strings, or cords. It runs continuously for about an hour, which is plenty of time for this little marvel. This little robot needs no supervision. Just drop it in and walk away. It also has a cool self-parking feature. When the battery gets low, it parks itself at the edge of the pool for easy retrieval. It's easy to clean. Simply open it up, remove the filter, and wash it off with a garden hose. Look at all that junk from the bottom of the pool. By the time you finish watching this video, the Aiper Seagull 600 could have finished cleaning your pool. Just drop it in and walk away. This little robot needs no supervision. Check out the link in the description to get your own.